You are a college student cramming for finals, but you have tons of filler classes that all require you to make slides and do presentations. You do not want to waste your precious study time on making these boring slides. So let me grandly introduce the Open Design Slides feature.
Right now, Kogi and I are going to play two members of team working on our final goal project. In fact, we have to do it under 1 hour. We need to put together slides for our global business class presentation tomorrow.
Now, let us show you how to use Open Design to help you survive from the final season.
So our assigned topic is the impact of the 2026 World Cup on the host regions across the 3 hosting countries, including the US, Canada, and Mexico. The verdict we want to reach is whether hosting this World Cup is off for them. First, we tell Open Design what we need to present. Here we selected the slide artifact and the plan mode, which would give us an editable outline. Then we choose the DeepSeek V4 Flash model, which is currently free during the limited time offer. Now the outline is generated, and I've also had it search the web to fill in reliable, relevant data that enriches our outline. So now we've finished writing and finalizing the content. We are moving on to designing the slides. During this phase, we want to rely more heavily on the various templates and skills built into Open Design. If you have your own template, you can turn it into a design system first, and then have Open Design use that design system to build your presentation. We will cover how to use design system in a separated video. If you don't have a template you must use, you can freely let your agent choose one from the Open Design library, so you don't have to worry about it. This is what I did here. Right now we have a slide deck. As you can see, while it contains the main points from our outline, it's still kind of rough and basic. We want to make the slides better suited for an academic setting, and the first step is adding charts and graphs. Here's how to do it. Open the plus icon in the bottom left corner of the chat box with the agent. Click the Design Toolbox button, select the corresponding skill inside the Design Toolbox, and your AI agent will automatically generate the relevant charts for you. Agent can automatically identify which parts of the slides contain relevant data and determine the best format and chart type to present it. It will then add the corresponding charts to the slides for you, so you don't have to worry about doing it yourself. Now to make it more polished, I'll add some 2026 World Cup visual element to it. So I'll have it search online for some images and insert them. Alright, now I feel like it's way better, and it definitely works for our presentation tomorrow morning.
Scarlett shared the core slides with me, so I can have my agent add some comments now. I have reviewed them and added suggestions to improve the visual design. For example, create a distinct color system for the US, Canada, and Mexico, using a specific accent color for each country. Now my agent has automatically added all of my comments into the slides. This will also show up at Scarlett's end. Her agent will review my agent comments and make revisions based on them. So Scarlett and I can both finally catch a break.
Alright guys, to wrap it up, we started with one research question. Now we have a source and well-designed presentation we can actually deliver tomorrow morning. Okay, back to our actual jobs. We made everything you just saw inside the Open Design desktop app with DeepSeek V4 Flash. And right now, DeepSeek V4 Flash is free and unlimited in Open Design for a limited time, specifically this week. So, if your presentation is also due tomorrow, you know what to do.